Welcome back. English workshop question number 1. Complete the following table. पुढील दिलेला टेबल आपल्याला पूर्ण करायचा आहे. Utterance, who said, to whom. या ठिकाणी काही उद्गार दिलेले आहेत, वाक्य दिलेले आहेत. ते वाक्य कोण कोणाला म्हणाले ते आपल्याला लिहायचे आहे. Utterance, Shweta is a very beautiful girl, isn't she? The writer said to Meena. Next, when a pony is young, he looks handsome, Meena said to the writer. Next, it's a beautiful day, the writer said to Meena. Next, no, the sun is too hot, Meena said to the writer. Next, I am all excited, it's nice to meet old friends, Meena said to the writer. Next, let's chat, Meena said to the writer. Next, we won't get a taxi in this rain, the writer said to the Meena. Next, then what's the secret of your energy, the writer said to Meena. Next, a beggar changed my life, Meena said to the writer. Question number 2. State whether the following statements are right or wrong. Correct the wrong ones. A. The author and Meena were great enemies. Wrong. Corrected sentence. The author and Meena were good friends. B. Meena was a very cheerful person initially. Wrong. Corrected sentence. Meena was forever unhappy. C. Meena stayed alone in an apartment in Delhi. Wrong. Corrected sentence. Meena stayed alone in an apartment in Mumbai. D. Meena was the second child of her parents. Wrong. Corrected sentence. Meena was the only child of her parents. E. The author spotted Meena at Bombay's Flora Fountain. Right. F. The beggar and the young girl were playing on the road because there was a lot of traffic. Wrong sentence. Corrected sentence. The beggar and the young girl were playing on the road because there was no traffic. G. The scene of the beggar and the girl made Meena peep into her own life. Right sentence. H. The beggar became Meena's role model. Right sentence. I. It took Meena almost 2 years to put the change into effect. Right sentence. J. Meena was able to give Guru Dakshina directly to her Guru, the beggar. Wrong sentence. Corrected sentence. Meena gave Guru Dakshina indirectly by sponsoring his granddaughter to a boarding school. Question number 3. Choose the correct alternative to complete the sentences. A. Meena, who is an LIC officer, is a pessimistic person. B. The writer was standing near Akbar Ali's, a popular department store, because she was waiting for rain to stop. C. The only thought in the writer's mind till they reached the Grand Hotel was what had about such a change in Meena. D. Meena sponsored the granddaughter of the beggar because it was a token of respect for the beggar. Question number 4. How did the beggar change Meena's attitude? Discuss with your partner and complete the following way. Answer. Beggar's activities that changed Meena's attitude. Playing happily in the street, always happy, being satisfied in life as it is, not caring about the rain and hunger. Question number 5A. Write in your own words. How did Meena show her gratitude to her Guru Answer. Meena showed her gratitude to her guru by paying for the education of his granddaughter after his death. Question number 5b. Why would Meena be sad initially? Give reasons. Pick out sentences from the story which prove that Meena was a pessimist. मीना सुरुवातीला दुःखी का होती? कारणे द्या. मीना निराशावादी होती हे दर्शविणारे वाक्य स्टोरीमधून लिहा. आन्सर. ए. शी वॉज फॉरएवर अनहॅप्पी. बी. whenever author met her she would start to feel depressed. C. her gloom and cynicism had a way of spreading to others. D. she never had anything positive to say about anything. E. she always had negative responses to everyone and everything. F. she would be pessimist all the time. Question number 6a. Find antonyms of the following words from the story. Optimistic, pessimistic, drizzle, pouring, new, old, lie, truth, ugly, beautiful, frowned, laughed, hell, paradise, unhappy, happy, disrespect, respect, unimportant, important. Question number 6b. Go through the points below showing Meena's encounter with the beggar that transformed her completely. The sequence of events are jumbled up below. Arrange the events according to the occurrence. Fill in the number as per sequence. मीनाचे आयुष्य पूर्णपणे बदलून टाकणारी, मीनाची व त्या भिकाऱ्याची झालेली भेट दर्शविणारे पुढील मुद्दे वाचून आपल्याला त्यांना योग्य क्रमानुसार मांडणी करून योग्य तो क्रम त्या कंसामध्ये लिहायचा आहे. आन्सर याप्रमाणे आहेत. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. हाऊ डिड द बेगर चेंज मीनाज ॲटिट्यूड टुवर्ड्स लाईफ? राईट इट डाऊन इन 5 to 6 लाईन्स. 1 इज डन फॉर यू. त्या भिकाऱ्याने मीनाचा जीवनाकडे पाहण्याचा दृष्टिकोन कसा बदलला? 5 ते 6 ओळीत उत्तर लिहा. आन्सर. द इन्सिडंट मेड मीना टू लुक ॲट हर ओन लाईफ. शी रिअलाइज दॅट शी हॅड मेनी कम्फर्ट्स ऑफ विच दे हॅड नॉन, बट दे न्यू हाऊ टू बी हॅप्पी विथ लाईफ ॲज इट वॉज. शी फाउंड दॅट शी हॅड मोर टू बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर दॅन मोस्ट पीपल कुड इमॅजिन. She felt ashamed of herself. She decided to change her attitude towards life. Question number 8. Summarize the story with the help of the points given below. A. Meena's initial attitude. B. Meena's meeting with Sudha Murthy in Mumbai. C. Beggar's incident. D. Change in attitude. Answer. A. Meena's initial attitude. Initially, Meena looked at life in a negative way. She lived alone in an apartment and led a comfortable life. Because of her pessimism, people avoided her. Then she was transferred to Mumbai. B. Meena's meeting with Sudha Murthy in Mumbai. The writer met her in Mumbai after many years. She was reluctant to speak with her, but Meena insisted. Sudha Murthy was surprised to see a vast and remarkable change in her attitude. The writer was surprised and asked Meena what had brought about the change in her. C. Beggar's incident. Meena said that a beggar who lived on the footpath opposite her house had changed her. He always played happily with his granddaughter, although he did not even get enough food to eat. Meena would give them the leftover food. Observing his life, Meena was forced to look at her own life, and she felt ashamed of herself. D. Change in attitude. Meena realized that she had many things that the beggar did not have. She had nothing to complain about. So she decided to change her life. It took her 2 years to change her attitude and develop a positive attitude towards life. Question number 9. Write the above summary making Meena the narrator. Begin with I work in Bangalore in LIC. Sudha was my friend. मीना निवेदक आहे असे समजून या कथेचा सारांश लिहा. आन्सर I worked in Bangalore in LIC. Sudha was my friend. I lived alone in an apartment and my parents lived in Delhi. I had only one friend, Sudha, and we met almost every week. After some days, I realized that Meena tried to avoid me. I could not understand the reason then. Later, I shifted to Bombay. A beggar and his granddaughter lived across the street, and I always saw them from my window. They used to play with each other happily. I gave them the leftovers from my house. They would eat the food I gave and sleep on the footpath. Their life forced me to look within myself. I realized that I always complained about life. In fact, I had so many things that the beggar and his granddaughter did not have. Yet, I thought that life was unpleasant. I decided to change my life and it took almost 2 years. Many years later, I saw Sudha in Bombay and no wonder she tried to avoid me. I knew the reason then, so I forced her to join me for tea so that we could chat. She was reluctant in the beginning, but then she agreed. I could notice that she was surprised to see the change in me and asked the reason. I told her how a beggar had changed my life. I repaid my guru, the beggar, by sponsoring his granddaughter education after his death.